the right mean. So let's look at this question 41. So here you can see there is a red color square. So this red square stands for a resolution advisory, right? Next, plus 300 feet means that conflicting aircraft, that intruder aircraft, is 300 feet above you. Above you. This downward trending arrow means that particular conflicting traffic or intruder is descending at a rate of descent which is equal to 500 feet per minute or more than that. Okay. So what option? Option alpha wrong. Aircraft is above you, not below you, and it is descending. This downward trend, downward pointing arrow is means a descent. So option Bravo is the right answer. Next, an intruder is 250 feet above you, climbing at 500 feet per minute or more, which it will be indicated by what? So option number A, red square, 250 feet above you shown by plus 250, right? Climbing at 500 feet per minute shown by this upward arrow pointing upwards. Then we do not have any symbol which is a blue square. So option Bravo is immediately wrong. Next, you have an amber circle which stands for traffic advisory, and it is 250 feet above you. And next you have delta, proximate traffic, minus 250 means 250 feet below you. So here intruder is 250 feet above you. So that is wrong. Okay. So what will be the correct answer? An intruder 250 feet above, climbing at 500 feet per minute, will be indicated by option A, a resolution advisory red square plus 250 upward arrow. Next, question number 43. Proximity traffic is any traffic which is shown by a diamond which is filled with blue color, and that traffic is within 6 nautical mile of your aircraft. Okay, and plus minus 2500 feet, correction, 1200 feet above you or below you. 1200 feet above you or below you. Okay, so proximate traffic is any traffic within a 6-mile radius within 1200 feet above or below, traffic within 10 nautical miles 1000 feet above below, traffic within the selected range. So the correct answer is option alpha. Okay. Next, other traffic. Now, other traffic is any traffic which is not approximate traffic and it is indicated by a diamond which is hollow. We do not have any color inside it. So traffic not qualifying as proximity or intruder, but within the display range and within 2700 feet above or below, yes, sounds good. Traffic not qualifying as proximity, but within 16 nautical miles, no. All traffic other than proximity and intruder traffic, no. Okay, it's more or less okay, it's fine, but it's not the exact definition. They have asked us the definition. All non-intruder traffic within the range scale and within 2700 feet above or below. So not all non-intruder traffic, only that non-intruder traffic which is not a proximate traffic. So option A. Next, a TCAS traffic advisory is a traffic advisory message indicating aircraft in the vicinity which may become a threat. Yes. A traffic advisory message indicating aircraft within the vicinity which constituted an immediate threat. No. A traffic advisory indicating aircraft within the vicinity but moving vicinity which are on airway. No. A traffic advisory indicating aircraft flying parallel to you. No. So option alpha. A message indicating aircraft is in the vicinity and it may become a threat if it moves even more closer to you. A TCAS resolution advisory is a resolution advisory of it's a oral and visual indication of aircraft in the vicinity which constitute an immediate threat. Yes, a resolution advisory is an oral visual recommendation of maneuvers or maneuver restrictions in the vertical plane to resolve conflicts with Mode C SSR capable aircraft. Yes, a resolution advisory is an oral visual recommendation of maneuvers or restrictions in the vertical plane to resolve conflicts with Mode S capable aircraft. A resolution advisory is a visual indication of the intensious immediate threat traffic. Okay, so the most appropriate answer here will be option Bravo. It's an oral and visual recommendation of maneuver that you must perform in the vertical plane to resolve any conflict with Mode C SSR transponder. Mode C is the bare minimum. Now, if the transponder is Mode S capable, so Mode S is inclusive of Mode A and Mode C, right? So Bravo will be the right answer. With the help of Mode S capability, your resolution advisories will be coordinated. Okay. Next. A corrective advisory is a resolution advisory which tells the pilot which rates of climb or descent to use to resolve conflicts. A resolution advisory which tells the pilot which rates of turn to use. Wrong. We only get resolution advisories in the vertical plane. A resolution advisory which tells the pilot which rates of climb or descent to avoid to resolve conflicts. No. A resolution advisory which tells the pilot which way to turn. Wrong. So the correct answer is option alpha. Which rates of climb or descent to use to resolve conflicts. Okay, so you will get a command like climb. If another command is increase climb, another one is descent, yet another one is descent, increase descent, right? So corrective advisories tells the pilot about the rates of climb or descent. When TCAS indications are provided on the VSI, they will include symbols to indicate vertical positions of intruder and proximate traffic, arrows to indicate their motion, rates of climb or descent to be avoided, recommended rate of climb or descent to resolve conflicts, the track and calibrated airspeed of intruder and proximate traffic. So I'll show you a picture. So this is that electronic VSI that they are talking about. Okay, electronic VSI that the question is talking about. So here, first things first, this is a vertical speed indicator superimposed with your TCAS display on TCAS display. So you have this red tape, red color arc. So that red color arc means you will have to stay away or outside of this red color arc. Means uh, you have to maintain or you have to fly your aircraft at a vertical speed, at any vertical speed which is in this green arc. So now in this case, you must climb excessively at a very high rate of climb of 1500 feet per minute से लेके 2000 feet per minute. Okay, you must be in this green band always. So that is one thing. You can see resolution traffic, intruder traffic, uh, proximate traffic shown, right? You get to see the trend arrows, they are climbing, descending. Relative altitude is shown. So the correct answer will be symbols to indicate vertical positions of intruder and proximate traffic, yes. Arrows, yes. Rates of climb to be avoided, shown by red arc. Recommended rate of climb or descent, shown by green arc. Track and calibrated airspeed. So we do not get to see the track or calibrated airspeed, right? So to determine that track, whether they are approaching us or going away from us, we will have to visually scan the airspace. So statements 1, 2, and 3 and 4 are the right ones. How does TCAS indicate other threat that is not assessed as a threat? So other threat means it is shown by a diamond, which is a hollow diamond. So this hollow diamond means other traffic, which is not a threat, and this other traffic will be within the range of your display and plus minus 2700 feet above or below you. On what principle is TCAS 2 based? Radio altimeters? No. Mode S transponders, IRS, INS inputs, ground radar. So option Bravo. So your TCAS 2 is based on transponders. The transponder in your aircraft will communicate with the transponder in the conflicting aircraft, and mutually they will communicate with each other, coordinate their resolution advisories, right? So it's based on transponders. TCAS is solely or exclusively an air-to-air communication system. It doesn't require any complementary ground equipment. Okay, so Bravo is the right answer. So this concludes our lecture. I hope you have understood all the 10 questions I have solved in this video lecture. If you have any doubts, questions, feedback, let me know in the comment box. Best of luck. In my next video lecture, I will solve the remaining questions. So I hope to see you there.